Volcanoes are one of the most powerful and unpredictable forces on Earth. Some sleep for centuries, others erupt again and again, and millions of people live right next to them. Today, we count down the top 10 most dangerous volcanoes on the planet, ranked from number 10 to number 1. Not just by how strong they are, but by how deadly they could be for humans. At first glance, Rainier looks calm and beautiful. But beneath the ice lies a massive threat. Rainier is covered with huge amounts of snow and glaciers. If the volcano suddenly heats up or part of the mountain collapses, the ice melts instantly. This water mixes with ash, rocks, and volcanic debris, creating a deadly lahar. These volcanic mud flows can rush down river valleys at highway speeds and reach populated areas far from the volcano. Cities near Seattle could be hit within minutes. If Rainier erupts, hundreds of thousands of people could be affected. Sakurajima is one of the most active volcanoes in the world, erupting almost constantly. Its frequent activity means ash falls on nearby cities, like Kagoshima, several times a year, covering streets, cars, and rooftops. A major eruption could force mass evacuations, disrupt transportation, agriculture, and daily life across southern Japan, and even affect air travel due to ash clouds. Scientists closely monitor Sakurajima with a network of seismometers and cameras, keeping a constant watch to warn residents in time. Mount Merapi is one of the most active volcanoes on Earth, erupting frequently and unpredictably. Its deadly pyroclastic flows, fast-moving clouds of hot gas, ash, and rocks, have killed thousands over the past century. One of the most destructive eruptions occurred in 2010 when Merapi unleashed massive pyroclastic flows that destroyed villages and forced the evacuation of over 350,000 people. Despite the danger, locals keep returning because the volcanic soil is incredibly fertile, supporting rich rice fields and plantations. Mount Vesuvius, the volcano that famously destroyed Pompeii in 79 AD, is still active today. More than 3 million people live near its slopes, including the city of Naples. Its eruptions are explosive, sending ash, lava, and pyroclastic flows down the mountain. You can often see the plume of smoke rising from the crater on a clear day. Vesuvius has erupted many times since 79 AD, including significant eruptions in 1631 and 1944. Causing damage and loss of life. A major eruption today would be catastrophic, capable of devastating towns and disrupting life across southern Italy. Popocatépetl towers over Mexico City and is one of Mexico's most active volcanoes. It erupts frequently, sending ash clouds hundreds of meters into the sky and occasionally producing lava flows. Even a moderate eruption could affect millions of residents, disrupt air travel, and damage infrastructure. Since 1994, glowing lava fountains and constant plumes have been visible from nearby towns. The volcano is surrounded by towns and villages that are evacuated whenever activity increases. Nyiragongo is famous for having some of the fastest lava flows on Earth. In 2002, lava rushed through the city of Goma, killing hundreds and destroying thousands of homes. Its steep slopes mean lava can reach nearby communities in minutes, leaving almost no time to escape. The volcano's lava lake glows red at night, creating a fiery spectacle visible from kilometers away. Today, scientists constantly monitor it with seismic sensors, thermal cameras, and satellite data. Mount Etna is Europe's most active volcano, located on the east coast of Sicily, near the city of Catania. More than 1 million people live in the surrounding area. Etna erupts frequently and unpredictably, producing lava flows, ash clouds, and lava fountains. Notable eruptions in 2001, 2002, and 2017 damaged towns, roads, and farmland, and repeatedly shut down Catania's airport. On clear days, you can see snow on the summit while glowing lava flows down its slopes. Its constant activity keeps scientists and local authorities on permanent alert. Taal Volcano is located in Batangas Province, in the Calabarzon region of the Philippines, about 60 kilometers south of Manila. It sits inside a lake, making it one of the most unusual and dangerous volcanoes in the world. Taal's eruptions are highly explosive, producing deadly ash clouds, base surges, and pyroclastic flows. In 2020, a sudden eruption forced mass evacuations within hours, affecting tens of thousands of people. Because it is surrounded by water and nearby communities, eruptions can trigger lahars and flooding, increasing the danger even further. Mount Fuji is a symbol of beauty and cultural significance in Japan, but it is also a potentially dangerous volcano. Mount Fuji is located on the island of Honshu, near the border of Shizuoka and Yamanashi prefectures, about 100 kilometers west of Tokyo. Fuji has not erupted in over 300 years, with its last major eruption in 1707. When it erupts again, ash clouds could blanket Tokyo and surrounding regions, affecting over 30 million people. Even a moderate eruption could disrupt transportation, power supply, and daily life across central Japan. The Yellowstone supervolcano is located mainly in Wyoming, with parts extending into Montana and Idaho. It sits beneath Yellowstone National Park, one of the most geothermally active areas on Earth. Its last supereruption occurred approximately 640,000 years ago, forming a massive caldera. Yellowstone sits beneath a massive magma system, and its surface is covered with geysers, boiling hot springs, and steaming vents, clear signs of the enormous heat below. A future eruption would release enormous amounts of ash, alter the global climate, and disrupt food supplies worldwide. Scientists monitor Yellowstone closely, and while a super eruption is extremely unlikely in the near future, its potential impact would be global. Volcanoes remind us that nature is always stronger than humanity. Some sleep for centuries. Others erupt without warning. Which volcano surprised you the most? And which one would you never want to live near? Tell me your answer in the comments.